5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is my brother, Junior.
Hi, guys.
I'm gonna do, as you can see by the title, my brother does my makeup, and we're gonna see how this goes because I don't even know if he even knows the steps. I don't even know. Yeah, so this should be interesting. So we're gonna see. Actually, we have a family barbecue to go after this, so it was kind of a bad idea to do this today because I actually have to like get ready for it. But okay, let's do this. Let's start.
Titanium dioxide sunscreen.
That's not sunscreen, that's foundation.
What the fuck? Sunscreen?
Oh my gosh.
How do you put this? I do not know. This is gonna be
Oh
interesting.
my god, that's my good one too.
It's Smashbox, so I can tell it's expensive.
That's a lot on my forehead. You should
Yeah,
start, yeah.
Your face is very oily, just to let you know. You should start doing those face masks again.
Yeah.
Date la otra. Face. Thank you.
Don't forget the nose. Ah!
Yeah. You asked for the nose, so this looks like Vaseline. See, there you go. When you don't have Smashbox, you have Vaseline.
You're right. Let's totally give that tip to our viewers. Why are you smelling it?
Because I have a sensation. This is so moist. It's like a little putty ball.
Yeah, this is a totally experiment your 5 senses with makeup.
Right?
Okay, you need to pat like... Yeah, there we go. Okay, tampoco te pases.
And the nose too.
Yes. You forget I have a nose apparently.
I mean, it's so big, how can someone forget?
Alright.
You can move your face to that side, please.
I wonder if they can see like... Whatever, I'll show them a close-up in the end if anything.
Please don't go to my barbecue like this.
If I do, I'll be like...
They're gonna be like...
Victor, MUA!
They're gonna be like, where the hell did you go to get your face tanned?
Oh, okay.
Concealer.
Where does that go?
How do you open this? Oh, I got this. You look like one of
I love how you're judging your own work and laughing already.
I could leave you worse than what I
Okay,
am.
go.
So you cut that like
Oh.
this.
Of course. What are you doing?
There was concealer right there.
It looked like you were picking my nose with a beauty blender.
Oh.
Let me move that boogie away.
There was like a big concealer. I'm like.
Okay. I can't tell if it actually looks good. I'm like looking at the camera and it looks like okay. Okay.
What is this? Burner, fire.
Show them what you're using.
Tartist?
Yeah, sure. I still don't know how to pronounce that either.
Whatever, it's Pro Glow Tart.
Yeah, I don't know why it got like that, but whatever. Still works.
It looks like freaking Lolo from Guatemala.
From Lodo?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
That wasn't very.
Oh my goodness.
Is there a way to clean this brush off?
Yeah.
Okay, that was a bad idea. We're gonna try to retouch that up.
Oh my gosh. I could feel the brush and it is not going the direction it's supposed to go.
Yikes. Thanks.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Okay.
No more concealer, nor contour, or whatever.
What about the other side?
Alright, fine. What, if you insist.
You have to do the whole face.
That one looks better.
He said this one looks better, guys.
This is L. See, the thing is that I'm putting it on the eyebrow, but somehow it's going outside the eyebrow. I don't know how the hell that's supposed to happen. So.
Okay, doesn't look bad.
Hey, see that on the sauce?
Did you notice my eyelashes?
Yes, I was gonna tell you, they got lifted. They look natural.
They are natural.
What's natural? Quédate quieta.
I'm not doing anything.
You move your eyelids a lot. You're gonna.
I don't know why it does that.
Like, are you twitching? Are you nervous? You're already more nervous than me.
When I was getting my eyelash lift, I literally was like, eyelashes stop. I mean my eyelids, because I felt like they were like boom, 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 boom. What colors are you using?
I don't know, just dark colors.
Are you using the same colors on both eyes?
That's done. And then to be.
It's so weird because I feel like I have makeup on, but it looks like no makeup look. So what's next?
You want to use bronzer? Bronzer. Yes, I know. Here, look at me. Stop! Look at me. That wasn't the correct brush.
I literally was cracking ears. I'm like, this guy is about to use an eyeshadow brush for bronzer. Don't you think you did enough damage on the cheeks to want to bronzer?
Have you ever used this one?
Which was the darkest color?
Yeah, that's the gold makeup. Go like.
That's it?
Do you have tissue paper?
Why? I use this for highlighter.
Oh,
But that's not highlighter.
what's this?
That's blush.
Isn't that the same thing?
As highlighter?
Yeah.
No.
Maybe brought this one. So don't worry, I'm buying you new brushes.
Oh, how nice of you.
Oh, you're very welcome. You've been behaving well, so I think you deserve it.
Okay, Dad.
Mira. Dale la vuelta ahí. Estaba hablando mucho. You distract me from my...
From your masterpiece?
Yes!
Okay.
Right now I'm doing Mona Lisa Part 2.
What? Oh, hell no. Okay, not bad.
No.
That feels nice.
I was just gonna put the
Setting spray?
Yep.
Okay.
Close your eyes. My bad. Okay, that's enough.
Okay.
Why are you drooling?
Okay, guys. This is the masterpiece of a brother does my makeup. Dude, oh my god. Do you see how you left my cheeks? For a first time. It's okay, we learned from our mistakes. Oh, and the only reason why he didn't do mascara or fake eyelashes is because I told him that I just got my eyelash lift, so I really don't want to do anything to my eyelashes just yet because I gotta wait. But this is it. Thank you, little bro.
You're very welcome.
I should go to the barbecue like this.
Please don't.
Yeah, please don't. To society. Okay, so comment below what you think, if you like the video, if you want to see him in more videos. And yeah, I had fun doing this, and I hope you guys had fun watching it.
Cool. Peace out.
Peace out.